welcome to this video on EMS for SOLIDWORKS tips and tricks. In this video, you will see how to compare results across multiple studies. Here I have an example of a solenoid actuator and we have done two studies. There is one study of the motion response of the actuator with a spring and there is another study without a spring. Suppose you want to compare the results across both these studies. What you can do is right click on the top folder and select compare study results and then pick the type of studies that you want to compare. In this case we have two transient magnetic studies, hence I will pick the transient magnetic. Now you will see the studies that you want to compare. So even in this table, when I click a particular study, everything related to that study will be highlighted. For example, if I click the study with spring, I get the response of the center of mass, etc. for this particular study. Suppose I want to compare the forces acting on the plunger and what is the difference in the force value between study 3 and the study with spring. I can select the respective force value. In this case, I'm interested in Fy, and then in the options for the pop-up plot, I can select plot results of check studies for all time steps. And here I can, within the same graph, compare the results of both the studies. Thank you for watching this video.